Hi, Tater. Hello, Tater. Hi, Tater. How you doing, Tater? Pretty bird. How you doing, Tater? Hello, Tater. Hello, Taters.
Nice taters.
Hello, Tater. Can you do kisses? Can you give me kisses? Oh, hello. Hello, Mr. T.
Hello.
Hello, Mr. Taters.
Hello, taters.
Oh, you're at the highest perch. I see what you're doing. All right, you rip that thing. Rip that thing. Get it. Get it. The question that we have, is this a male or a female? Can't really tell. By the colors, it's a pretty bright orange spot he's got there.
So it might be a female.
I think.
So we're thinking it's a female.
Doesn't talk.
It's got the gray of a male, but the orange of the red of a female.
Pretty bird.
It's pretty, yeah.
Shake those tail feathers, Tater.
Yeah, tater.
There you go. Shake those tail feathers, Tater.
Yeah, tater. Shake them.
Shake out, Tater.
Hello, tater.
Hello, Tater.
You Spider-Man taters.
Nice.
You shove it in your nail, tater.
Nice, Tater. Nice. Shake those tail feathers, Tater. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
yeah.
nice.
Nice.
Now that is definitely male behavior, right? That's pretty tough. Shaking the tail feather, snapping that head, right? I don't know if those are heart wings, but he does that too while he's on the ground, so we can't really tell. So what do you guys think? Male or female? It's a big question. Doesn't really matter. He's not even a year old, so we don't know if he's had an egg yet, and even if he has, we wouldn't really know it. He's very cute. Yes. Alright, we're signing off there, teachers. Say goodbye, dude.